Good morning, respected teacher and classmates. I'm Juliet Valencia. In this opportunity, I'm going to talk about a little description of my context. So, first of all, I'm going to describe my family. As you can see here, I'm sharing with you a lot of pictures. So, how is my family composed? My family is composed by my husband. My husband is called Elberto Leiluki. He's 31 years old. My mother is Maria Nidia Fernandez. She's 54 years. My father is Henry Alberto, and he is 61 years. My three sisters, Julissa and Natalia, they are twins. They are 21 years old. My sister Alejandra, and she is 22 years. And my sister Julissa, she has one son. He's my niece. He is Samuel Felipe Cuadrado. And my sister Natalia has two sons, Alejandro and Mariana. Mariana is 1 year and Alejandro is 2 years. Okay. What they do for living? My mother is housewife, and my father work in the majority of Florencia. My husband works as independent. My sister Alejandra works in the evaluator. My sister Natalia, she's in home take care her sons, and my sister Julissa works in a mall. Okay, and now I'm going to describe a little of my neighborhood. My neighborhood is called Ciudad Verde. It is located near to Bogota. The socioeconomic level of this neighborhood is 3. And the things that you can find in these neighborhoods is, for example, a library, for example, a police station, like you can see here, 2 malls, Miraflores and Prado Verde, a kindergarten, a college called Minuto de Dios, and a Teleton that is very famous. The weather in Soacha is like cold, like maybe 8 grades to 10 grades. I'm going to talk about a little of my job. I work in Convergys. I work in Convergys in the 93rd Street. This company is focused in, it's a call center, but it's the biggest one of the world. This company has about 75,000 of employees and is present in more than 15 countries. My position in this company is quality evaluator. I have been working here for about 3 years. The last year I was the employee of the month. And what else? My functions are, for example, listen the calls and evaluate the agents, evaluate the supervisors, the team leaders, evaluate the trainers, make audits about the work that they do, and also make calibrations and presentations with the new agents that are hired about good practices that they could implement during their calls. So that was all. Thank you for your attention. So until our next opportunity.